quick and special today. I think you all know what this means. Let's get literally into it. I'm not actually going to say what this is. If you read the description, you probably know already. It has my address written on it, so I'm going to try to be slightly careful. You can see this is literally the first time I'm opening it right now. Okay, didn't need the knife. Well, that's exciting. This is the 26-liter GR2. A unicorn for some. It's definitely been a unicorn for me for a long time, and one of those bags that I was dying, absolutely dying to get my hands on. This bag, differences between this bag and the previous models are this one has ballistic nylon on the bottom and 500D on the top. That was something that I was really dying to get a look at. Already I can see that it says here 500 denier ballistic black, and it says USA GR2 26 liter. This is the, I guess it's a new patch. I've not seen this patch before. It's all black and it looks killer. Let me open this bad boy up. I don't know if there's actually a seam. Oh, there is a seam right here, so. Now, I'm going to warn you, and you can't really buy this bag now, but I'm sure it will come back at some point, maybe. Okay, so first impressions is this 500D feels really nice. This ballistic nylon also feels very similar to things I've felt before. The bag itself is a very typical GR2. So, you know, it has the typical GORUCK straps. They feel great. The back here feels very nice. GORUCK bags always ship with the straps fully engaged like so. I'll loosen them up in a minute. There is a pass-through here. I can see it already for the Velcro stuff. And yeah. GR2 in general is a travel bag. I mean, it's marketed as a travel bag. This is supposed to be like the EDC version of that. It has two compartments, the main compartment here and then a thinner compartment out on the front. First, let me have a little look at this guy. So, one thing I like about 500D on these GORUCKs is that it gives a little bit more give in these pockets. So this pocket actually feels quite usable. One of the things about the GR2 is that this front pocket slants up here, so it's flat and then slants up. And like I said, the patch is very nice. I don't know if you want to be able to, can I focus on that? Can you see that? Looking good. So if I unzip the bag totally, just like other GORUCKs, there are, I believe the normal GR2 has 4 rows of MOLLE here. There are only 3 on this one because this is the 26 liter. So I'm opening up the front compartment here. Zippers, very similar to GORUCK zippers in general. They feel smooth and nice so far. They tend to break in with time. The zipper pulls are very nice. So inside the front pocket, built in the USA, GR2 GORUCK, it says here. The GR2 has a lot more pockets, as you can see. GR1, one pocket here, one pocket here. There's a pocket here, which is your normal kind of GORUCK front pocket thingy. Then there is a pocket here, which is a, the mesh feels great, by the way, for those of you who are curious. And the zipper pulls they are coyote brown on the top there. Just these two are coyote brown. The rest of them seem to be black. There's another pocket here that you can, it goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag here, and you can, you know, put clothes or something like that. I'll pack this bag out in a minute. There's also a pocket up here with organization in it, which is amazing. I can already tell that I'm going to love this bag. There is it's basically a field pocket style pocket. There's nothing on the outside here, and then there is a one mesh slip pocket here and a smaller mesh slip pocket there. Very nice for organizing your gear. Zippers feel very similar to the field pockets. So let's get into the main guy, the main show. So here you go. So now we're into the main compartment. This would be very similar to any GORUCK you've ever seen because it literally is every GORUCK you've ever seen. The bottom is padded and feels very nice. This liner being 500D just feels really good to me. I don't know. There are 3 rolls of MOLLE and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to put things along the bottom row. Top row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still 6, a little bit tighter on each side. The normal GORUCK slip pocket. There are 2 pockets here. These pockets are, okay, so like on a GR1, it's like 1 here and 1 here. On the GR2, it's 1 going this way and 1 going this way. I'm not sure the reason for that, but, you know, it's something to note. So GORUCK bags tend to be like a little stiff, the zippers and stuff, the first time you take them out of the box or bag, as it were, so that is completely normal. I'm going to cut this bad boy off because this bag is getting used. That took way too much effort. Okay, so top handle. Top handle feels smaller than it does on the GR1. It definitely looks slightly smaller, but it is very nicely padded and it feels very normal, very GORUCkian. Let's take a look at the laptop compartment just to make sure nothing weird or funky going on there. And then, like with all GORUCks, you have to flip this guy around to get at the laptop sleeve. Laptop sleeve feels exactly like every other GORUCK you've ever tried. So if you own a GORUCK, you'll know what that feels like. I will say that the straps feel a little bit more pliable than the GR1s tend to do, and that's probably due to the 500D. I will say the 500D feels like broken in like right away. Like it already feels like an old, broken in, nice GORUCK. And I 100% dig that. So let me pack my stuff in here and then we'll get on with our lives. Okay, so let's pack it out now. For those of you who don't know, I have a baby coming in the next couple of days. Or hopefully, fingers crossed. I mean, it's supposed to be the next couple of days, but we'll see how that goes. And this is 100% going to be the bag that comes to the hospital with me. So this is not my hospital pack out. This is just what was in my daily bag, but in any event, I think it's not going to be a whole lot different aside from some clothes. That is going to be the big test for this bag, and then a review on it will come after that. So let's get into how I would normally pack out a GORUCK. So the first thing I always do with every GORUCK is my keys go in this front pocket here, and that's the beginning. Then since I'm new to a GR2, I'm not really 100% sure what I'm going to do from here on out. I do believe that I plan on using this for my wallet here and my AirPods here. That is a perfect fit. And then probably, that's probably all I really need to put in there. So keep that like so. And then the rest of this front pocket, probably in this top one here, put my hand sanitizer and my mask. It's from the Brown Buffalo. Zipper that guy up. Okay, so now we're looking pretty good here. Now I didn't pack my knife. My knife can probably free flow in here. It's probably a good place for it. Keep those things together. And then, yeah, I mean, I've got these 2 mesh pockets here, but I think that I'm going to put my wire dop, which is my favorite, absolute favorite accessory. I will put a link to this in the description below. So I'm just going to lay that down right here. And then that'll be it for that front pocket. Now, I might change this later, but this is like my initial thought process. So get that closed up and then get into the main bit. So main bit opened. And then in here, I use this Evergoods thing for my camera. I'm waiting on a camera cube that I ordered that I'm very excited about. So that is gone down in the bottom there. And then this is clothes that I use for work. And then this is my hat. I'll just put that in there and zipper up this main compartment. Okay. My laptop will go in the, well, bomb-proof laptop sleeve, as it were, and it's raised up off the bottom, very well protected. One of the best laptop sleeves in the business. There it is. That is the GR2 26 liter packed out for daily carry for me. I am hella excited about this bag. Can't wait to show you more. Can't wait to give you review upon review about how this sucker is going to work in my life. The pack out for the hospital will come later, and that will be a different video. There's also a field pouch thingy on the way that I'm planning on sticking on the front here just for fun, but we'll see about that. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. it's going to be a short video for me. I mean, you know, as far as my videos go, not meant to be a review. Very extremely quick first look. Much love to you guys for watching. For all of you guys who've been using the links down below, really very much appreciate that. My wife is very happy, and that is a thing that, well, I mean, happy wife, happy life. Peace, kids. Bye-bye.